Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! In today's video, we're diving into a must-have accessory for all Nintendo Switch gamers, the CXY CHYUHSIN Joy-Con Controller. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore gamer, this controller promises to take your gaming experience to the next level. Welcome to today's video. We're reviewing the CXY CHYUHSIN Joy-Con Controller for the Nintendo Switch. This controller is designed specifically for Switch and Switch Alt consoles. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip with full-size buttons for an enhanced gaming experience. For those long gaming sessions, it's easy to set up using the USB-C plug-and-play feature. Whether you're in the middle of an action-packed game or exploring a new world, this controller keeps you connected with 15 volts PD fast charging, so you can play while you charge. No interruptions, just smooth gameplay. Now, let's dive into some features that really stand out. The dual vibration motors add realistic feedback, making you feel every crash, hit, and explosion. Paired with a 6-axis gyro for precise motion controls, this controller makes motion-based games like Zelda and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe more immersive. Every movement feels natural and responsive. Whether you're dodging obstacles or aiming for that perfect shot, this controller has you covered with exceptional accuracy and responsiveness. Another great feature is the turbo function. With 3 turbo speeds 5, 12, and 20 shots per second, you can set it to the speed that fits your gameplay style. This is perfect for shooting games where repeated button presses can be exhausting. Now, you can unleash a flurry of attacks effortlessly. Plus, the auto-attack mode means fewer button presses and more focus on the game. Lastly, the controller is designed to protect your console. Its design helps evenly distribute pressure, keeping your Switch safe during intense gaming sessions. And if you ever run into any issues, the company offers worry-free after-sales service. In the box, you'll find one Switch Joy-Con controller and a manual to help you get started. Ready to take your gaming to the next level? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. That's a wrap on our review of the CXY CHYUHSIN Joy-Con controller for Nintendo Switch. What do you think? Is this controller a game changer for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming gear. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep gaming strong.